What are potential damages I could recover from my severe trucking accident injury case? Attorney John Rosenberg explains, all damages or harms that you suffer as a result of a severe trucking accident are on the table and included in your claim for compensation. We start with the obvious, damage to your vehicle, whether it is repairable or not. Expenses for loss of use of your vehicle and diminution of value of your vehicle after it has been repaired. We also look into any bodily injury you and your passenger suffered, including physical injuries to your body and psychological and emotional injuries because of the severe and violent nature of trucking accidents. They can be so violent that it can cause post-traumatic stress disorder, which can be a long-lasting and very significant element of your damages. Past and future medical bills for necessary treatment, testing, hospitalization, medications, assistive devices, etc. can be added up and recovered as part of damages in a personal injury claim. We will also evaluate your loss of income, both the past and future, due to the injuries. Even if you are not currently working, but are taken out of the job market and cannot even look for work due to your injuries from the collision, you can be compensated for future potential earnings. If you need training for a different type of job, you have the right to compensation to pay for that training. We employ economists and vocational rehabilitation experts to evaluate these issues and calculate the cost and economic value of your losses in terms of what your injuries have taken and will continue to take from you economically. Another type of compensation or damages one might seek is through the assistance of a life care planner. Anyone who is severely injured probably will need assistance, even with simple activities of daily living. A life plan evaluates the cost of lifetime nursing home needs, in-home care, and medications and personal assistance. We must be very focused and precise when seeking this compensation, especially if it is lifelong needs. Once your claim is settled, whether through a trial or a settlement, you cannot go back and ask for more. You need experienced counsel who knows how to get all of the information, documentation, expert opinions, and date first time around. In addition to these economic losses, your general damages for pain and suffering, grief, humiliation, embarrassment, disfigurement are often the single largest elements of damage. A trucking collision can be a life-altering event that is different for everybody. There is no alternative to retaining the best and most experienced attorney you can find. At the law offices of John P. Rosenberg, we work hard to ensure that in the wake of your accident, you're financially taken care of and able to move forward to a brighter future.